You guys, I want to show you. I just received it and I'm so excited. This is the new AirPods from Apple. And I just got them. And I got them earlier than expected as well. Because they told me from the 11th to the 18th of April of 2019. And right now is April 1st, 2019. So it's pretty early. Let's see how it is. So it comes like this. I'm gonna cut this off. Oh my god. So exciting. Now, Apple products always come so well packaged. I never know how to open them. Okay, so let me cut this a little bit. Let's see how this works. And I have a lot of Apple products and I didn't know that, you know, you can still get your money back or exchange or return open products for 14 days. Use them and return them. I did not know that. That's really good to know. I thought that once you open them, that, you know, they're like final sale, but they're not. So this is how the package looks. This is the new AirPods, which is the wireless casing. It's just the receipt. This is how it comes. I'm gonna try these, and also I've been waiting for since 2017 for the wireless charging from Apple, and they still haven't released anything about it. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is how it looks. Oh, and I personalize it. Let me see if you can see it. So right here it says girly pretty pink, just like my YouTube name. This is how it looks, and you see the lighting flashing. Oh my god, they're amazing. Oh my goodness. Yes. I was debating between this one or the regular one. The regular one is like $169.99 and this one is $200. And if you have these already and you don't have the case, you can buy these. So this is how it comes. You can still charge it with the wire, or you can charge it wirelessly. And I'm sure the charger is in here. Yeah, here you go. This is the 3-foot one, the one that they always give. They need to start giving the 6-foot, seriously. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see how it works. Setting, and now I am in the Bluetooth. It's on. And let's see if it pops up. This is so cool. And this was free, by the way, the engraving of my name. It's taking a while, so I'm not going to do that in camera. I'll do that later. But yeah. Again, let me just set these up here. It's magnetic. I'm going to give you a closer look so you can see that they look the same as before. The only difference is that now they are wireless. Yeah, I know this is like really quick, but I just got them and I wanted to show you guys firsthand just in case you wanted to go and buy them. They are awesome. It's my first time having one of them because I was debating between buying the other one or waiting for the new one, and I waited for the new one and I got it. Thank you so much for watching, guys.